My name is Heather Thompson. I'm the Director of Innovation for Growmark, which is a large agricultural cooperative based in Bloomington, Illinois. Agriculture is ripe for change right now, whether that be through new technology, new products, and new disruption in the space. And we need people coming into the ag industry who not just can react to that disruption, but can really lead it.
Illinois College's nearly 100% online Bachelor of Science in Agribusiness Management is built on nearly 200 years of academic experience. In addition to our broad business curriculum, faculty mentors provide you with a personalized experience. Learn to leverage tech trends, marketing, and finance within the ag industry. With nearly 100% of our grads employed within a year, you are guaranteed to graduate ready with the leadership and agriculture management skills you need to succeed.
The ag industry is growing. The job opportunities and the job potential in the industry are huge. It's really exciting to see that wide breadth of experience that they gain at Illinois College, and that really just makes them a standout, phenomenal candidate.